Wave goodbye to your old manual toothbrush and make way for something electrifying. What's that? A superhero gadget, you ask? Well, it's almost as good. It's the best electric toothbrushes on the market. I am here to revolutionize your dental hygiene routine with tech-savvy brushing solutions that not only promise pearly whites, but also outshine their hand-powered counterparts in terms of convenience and efficiency. So, watch the full video and check the video description for more details. Number 1 is Oral-B Series Electric Toothbrush. Experience cutting-edge technology with the Oral-B Series Electric Toothbrush. Boasting 100% more plaque removal within a week, this toothbrush provides a dentist-inspired round brush head that ensures whiter teeth from day one. The AI position detection maximizes coverage across all tooth surfaces, and the personalized guidance feature makes you a better brusher in just 1 week. With 7 cleaning modes and a vibrant interactive display, this toothbrush delivers Oral-B's smartest brushing experience. Number 2 is Philips Sonicare 4100 Power Toothbrush. The Philips Sonicare 4100 Power Toothbrush is designed for superior plaque removal, offering up to 7x more effectiveness than manual toothbrushes. Equipped with a smartomer and quad pacer, it ensures you brush for the recommended time. The pressure sensor and 2 intensity settings protect your gums, and the brush head replacement reminder guarantees optimal performance. Enjoy a battery life that lasts for 2 weeks, making it an efficient and reliable choice. Number 3 is Aquasonic Duo Electric Toothbrushes. Revolutionize your oral care routine with the Aquasonic Duo Electric Toothbrushes. This set provides 2 smart toothbrushes with advanced features, including 40,000 vibrations per minute, wireless charging, and 3 modes for whitening and gum health. With a 30-day battery life, these brushes are perfect for couples or families. The package includes 10 DuPont brush heads and 2 travel cases, making it a complete and cost-effective solution. Number 4 is Bitvae R2 Rotating Electric Toothbrush, Power and Precision. The Bitvae R2 Rotating Electric Toothbrush is a plaque-fighting powerhouse. With a unique windmill design and arc-cut bristles, it removes 400% more plaque than manual toothbrushes. Enjoy a 30-day battery life with a 3-hour quick charge and choose from 5 brushing modes for a personalized experience. The visible pressure sensor protects your gums, And the toothbrush travel case adds convenience for on-the-go oral care. Number 5 is 7 Magic Electric Toothbrush. The 7 Magic Electric Toothbrush stands out with 3 switchable intensity levels, catering to users with sensitive teeth, those prioritizing oral health, and those seeking a deep cleaning experience. The toothbrush utilizes sonic power with 40,000 vibrations per minute for a thorough clean. With a 60-day usage on a single charge, customizable brushing modes, and IPX7 waterproofing, it's a practical and health-conscious gift option. Number 6 is Burst Pro Sonic Electric Toothbrush. Clinically proven for superior results, the Burst Pro Sonic Electric Toothbrush removes up to 10x more plaque than manual toothbrushes. Featuring super soft bristles and a smart pressure sensor, it protects your gums and provides real-time feedback for improved brushing technique. With 5 customizable modes and a long battery life of up to 9 months, this toothbrush delivers a professional, clean feeling every time.